Welcome back to Better Kansas City. Have you ever wondered how to create the perfect smoky eye or how to add color to an eye look? Makeup artist Rosa Rodriguez is here to help us get out of our comfort zone and try something new. So you're going to show us exactly how to add that pop of color. And I'm looking underneath her eyelash, and that's where we're seeing it.
Yes, so if you add it to the bottom eyelash, it's not going to be too intense. So if you're afraid of color, I know color can be a little intimidating because it's like super bright, but if you add it to the bottom eyelash, it's just a little pop of color, but not too much. So I did added a blue color to her bottom eyelash, and the blue, I really like the blue color because it really makes the eye color pop, and blue is a really safe color for every eye color. So yeah, it's a really nice color.
Well, it stands out so well on her skin. Now,
Yes.
we're talking about the application process. You know, we don't want blue down here. We don't want it too low. You know, how do you know where to apply it?
So I like to use a small brush like this,
Okay.
and then I tap the axis so you won't get any fallout, and then just press it in, and that's gonna have less fallout. But if you do have any fallout, just get a little fluffy brush and just sweep it off, and that should be it.
Okay, perfect. And would you typically apply this after your eye look's completed and before concealer?
I do it after concealer and when I have the setting powder, because if you do have any fallout, the setting powder protects the rest of the face, so it's not gonna mess up your makeup.
Okay, now you also have some other favorite eye makeup techniques. You know, what are those?
So I also like to use tape in the outer corner. That just helps you create the perfect wing eyeliner. So that's what I did here. So I just did a little wing eyeliner. I know wing eyeliner can be a little hard for most of us. So
It's hard to draw straight.
Yeah, so tape is a really good tip, and so I just added a little tape, and yeah, so that's how you create the perfect wing eyeliner.
Okay, and we can tell you're gentle because we don't see any movement from Haley saying, ow, or something like that. You know, let's talk about this too. You know, what inspired you to become a makeup artist?
So I always love makeup, and I love color and glitter. So being a makeup artist, I really able to get people to try new things, try color for once, you know, and this is just a little simple. And yeah, like just seeing how people are, how confident they are after their makeup is done is like the best thing ever for being a makeup artist,
It's sort of like you're adding beauty to the world.
Yes.
Now let's also take a look at some of your signature looks because I was blown away by so many of these.
Thank
you.
Look at that. Yeah, that's like, I did that one for last year for Pride. So yeah, it's like a rainbow, and then this is like another smoky eye with a pop of color, like also blue. Like I said, blue is a really safe color to use in the bottom eyelash. This one is a little out there. It's pretty colorful. I said I love color, and yeah.
Okay, well, you know, when she's telling that she loves color, she's got an amazing palette here.
Yes.
Almost every color of the rainbow. Do you use all these?
I do. I love color, and I used to really love a rainbow look. That was like my signature look, like back then. But yeah, I mean, it's nice to work with color. That's what I like.
Okay, well, Rosa, thank you so much. And
thank you.
We're just going to not be afraid to use color now,
don't.
taking a page out of your book.